Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the contact list, for example using the dialer, and let's tap on the contact you would like to edit and tap on this big button here. Right now let's tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option, let me tap on it, and here we have to just find the photo we would like to set and tap on it. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or zoom it out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So position it like you want to. Here you can also rotate the picture if you want. It's really up to you. So if you are happy with your choice with the result, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the contact. You will be also able to see it on the contact list and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.